Hello friend, here are your interactive listening practicing materials. Visit our website, create your account if you haven't got one, and click here to access the DET Practice Platform offered by TED Hub. Right here, you can choose any question type that you want to practice and its level. It's in your control. Here's an example of the interactive listening question set. Remember that the timer starts right away when you see this screen, so read fast and get started. In our first question, we need to pick the best option to start the conversation. Pick one and click Next. If you see the red frame, which means you picked an incorrect answer, and the correct one is right below your wrong answer. Next step, we play the audio. When you play it, the timer will temporarily stop. Because we can listen to it once, you need to pay close attention to not miss any keywords. Then we keep answering questions and listening to more audio clips until the end. When we finish this listen and respond part, it's time for the summarize the conversation. Here we have 75 seconds, and test takers can only move on if 20 seconds pass. After submitting your answer, we can check your work right away. This is your wrong answer, and the correct one is right below it. If you see this, which means you picked the correct answer, we evaluate your summarize the conversation answer exactly the same as other writing tasks, so scroll down and check everything in detail. There is a sample answer at the end of your feedback, read and learn from it. Moreover, users can move the pointer to all highlighted words to check their meanings. An important note: the academic team keeps updating new questions in the library, so you have new questions to practice every week. Watch no more, stop here and visit the DET Practice Platform to improve your scores now. Happy preparation!